In this video, we're going to be talking about the basics of Google Drive. So as you approach google.com, which is where I am right now, you can see here in the top right corner of my screen, you have my account. I'm in my Elkhart account, which you can see there. I have multiple Google accounts. You can click on that and switch over to any of your accounts you have. This little waffle icon up here is a great way from any Google screen to jump to a variety of different apps within Google. So if I want to jump to Google Drive, all I have to do is go ahead and click on Google Drive and it goes to my Google Drive. Now one of the things here that you can see is as it loads in, we can see all of the folders and things that are in my drive. And you know I'm in my drive, one, because it says my drive right here. You also know I'm in my drive because it's highlighted red here. All of the documents I have in my drive are sort of listed down in order. The owner of the document is listed here, and then obviously the date in which it was last modified. And you can switch if you want to organize by name. You simply click on name and it reorganizes in there, or by last modified. Depending on the way you like your Google Drive organized, I like mine in list view, but you can go to grid view by clicking on this right here and go ahead and organize it by grid view. Some advantage of grid view is some of the documents and presentations that I have are listed now. And you can see a picture of the first slide or of what's going on the page, and then you can see your documents here. One of the things I like about the list view is I get the owner and last modified date, and I can see the entire name of it here. One thing that confuses some people is sort of when somebody shares a document with you and you're trying to figure out where it all goes. Well, if you go to shared with me, these are the documents that somebody will have shared with you. Right, they're not in my drive currently, right? These are ones that have been shared with me, but I haven't added them into my drive. So if I want to add them into my drive, I need to right click on them and say, you know what, go ahead and add to my drive. Or once I open it up, you can do that. That one was already added in my drive, so it wasn't there. This one hasn't been added to my drive, so I could go ahead and add that right now to my drive if I wanted to. Going back to my drive, one of the things you should hopefully notice is that some of the folders don't have a little white character icon in the middle. Those folders that are blank are ones that belong to me and me alone, and nobody else can access them. The ones that have the white character icon in the middle, those are folders that have been shared out with somebody else, letting me know that that's a shared folder. You also can color your folders. So if I have fun font examples and I want to say, you know what, I want to change that color, and since it's a fun fonts, I'm going to make that a little purple color, right? So that allows me to color code some of my document folders if I'd like to. You always can go to your Recents tab. If there's a lot of documents that you are working on and you can't remember what folder you had it in, you certainly can go to the Recents folder and see all of your recent documents that you're working on there. The search feature of the drive is particularly useful if you have lots of folders, lots of documents, lots of shared documents with people in the district. By searching for a particular document by name, it's a really easy way to find that document. You also can have lots of search tools. You can say, oh, I want it to be only a PDF, or I only want to search for a Google Doc, or I only want to search for a spreadsheet or a presentation or a form. You can talk about sometime in the last 7 days that I've used it. Maybe the owner can be not by me, or I can even search it if I know it's owned by a specific person. So this is a way to find some documents perhaps that maybe aren't as organized if that's you. That's kind of a quick overview of the Drive area. So there'll be some more videos on a variety of other topics coming soon. Thanks for watching.